Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Once again, welcome to our channel Socio-Genius. Students, today we will read a new chapter, that is tropical rainforest. So in this chapter, we will discuss about what is a tropical forest or tropical rainforest, parts of a tropical rainforest, plants and animals found in this forest, and life of the people in this tropical rainforest. So before starting this lesson, let's know what is a tropical rainforest. Now you can look on the screen. Places that lies in the tropical zone are warm and humid throughout the year. Places close to the equator get heavy rain all the year, with thunder shower almost every afternoon. So places that lies in the tropical zone are warm and humid throughout the year. That means those places which are near to the tropical zone, they are called tropical forest, and they are also, as they lies near to the equator, so they are always warm and humid throughout all through the year. Places close to the equator get heavy rain all the year. और इक्वेटर के पास है हेवी रेन थ्रू आउट द ईयर भी होता है विथ थंडर शावर ऑलमोस्ट एवरी आफ्टरनून. हर आफ्टरनून में बारिश भी हो जाता है, जोरदार बारिश होता है. एरियाज क्लोज टू द इक्वेटर हैव डेंस फॉरेस्ट कॉल्ड ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. इक्वेटर के पास जो डेंस एरिया होता है फॉरेस्ट आर कॉल्ड ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. द ट्रीज इन दिस फॉरेस्ट do not shed all their leaves in any season. That means when they get much more rain, they remain green throughout the year. साल भर तक वो ऐसे ही green रहता है. They do not shed their leaves. अपना leaves छोड़ता नहीं हो, हर time वो green ही रहता है with the leaves. So they may remain green all the year and are called evergreen trees. Though these trees are remaining with their leaves throughout the year, that's why they are called evergreen trees. However, they remain green. The rainforest along the bank of the river Amazon in South America is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. So, the largest tropical rainforest in the world is the rainforest that is along the bank of the river Amazon in South America. Tropical rainforests are also found in the southern part of the North America, Central Africa, Southeastern Asia, and parts of Australia. In these areas, they are also found. In India, such forests are found in the Western Ghat, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and the northeastern states. In India, they are also found in the areas like Western Ghat, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and also in the northeastern states. So now we will discuss different parts of a tropical rainforest. Here on the top you will see the picture of the major tropical rainforest, and you can see this is the picture of the earth where the equator divides the earth into two halves, and on the upper we are having the Tropic of Cancer, and on the top we are having the Tropic of Cancer, and the bottom we are having Tropic of Capricorn. So in these areas you will see that there are some green color shades, and these are the forest areas. So near the equator we can find that the tropical forest or rainforest areas are found on this near the equators. You can see this in the picture. So now we will discuss parts of a tropical rainforest. In tropical rainforest, the plants from different layers most of the trees are tall and broad leaves and grow very close to each other. That means in these areas, the trees are very tall and they grow quickly, and their leaves are also very broad. They form an umbrella of leaves and branches over the entire forest. You can see the picture, right side picture, that this is just like the shape of an umbrella, and it is this full of leaves and branches all over the entire forest. These trees are found. This is called the canopy, and we call this as canopy. So the canopy is so dense that it does not allow much sunlight to reach the forest floor. So ये इतना dense होता है कि ये जो एरिया आप देख सकते हैं पिक्चर में, इतना डेंस रहता है. यहाँ पे तो थोड़ा पिक्चर दिया गया, लेकिन पूरा यू कैन इमेजिन द टोटल फॉरेस्ट. फॉरेस्ट के बारे में आप इमेजिन करेंगे तो इट इज टोटली कवर्ड विद द trees, and which so that the sunlight cannot reach to the ground level because it is fully covered with the trees. So they do not allow the sunlight to reach to the first forest floor. Forest floor जो सबसे नीचे है forest का floor में sunlight allow नहीं करता है. The shorter plants growing under the canopy make up the understory. आप पिक्चर देख सकते हैं, उसके नीचे जो trees है आप देख सकते हैं canopy. First one is the emergent layer and the second one is the canopy, and canopy के नीचे आप देख सकते हैं understory, that is down the canopy, which cannot get proper sunlight. These plants are shade loving and do not need a lot of sunlight. ये जो second third layer में जो है under storage, they do not need much sunlight, so they grow well. A few trees are very tall and rise above the canopy. There are many vines that climb up the trunks of the tree to reach the canopy, and there are also many vines you can see. These are the vines, different vines you will see, which grows up or climbs up the trunk of the tree to reach the canopy and get the sunlight they need. अगर जितने ऊपर vines जाते हैं तो उनको easily sunlight मिल जाता है, so they can get as much as sunlight they need. Few plants grow on the dark forest floor. और क्या होता है ना, पूरा नीचे जो पूरा डाउन में जो है स्पेस है फॉरेस्ट का, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, पूरा अंधेरा रहता है क्योंकि पूरा ट्री कवर हो जाता है. जहाँ पे सनलाइट गिरना मुश्किल हो जाता है तो वहाँ पे एरिया डार्क रहता है. सो some means very few plants also grow in these dark forest areas floors. Then we will discuss plants and animals found in this type of forest. So tropical rainforest have many kinds of plants. There are very tall woody trees. So tropical rainforest have many kinds of plants. Many kinds of plants we can see in this tropical rainforest. There are very tall woody trees. You can see the picture. The trees are how tall they are. They are very tall and having much more wood. These are supported by special thick root called buttress root. वो जो ट्री इतने टॉल ट्री होते हैं उनको सपोर्ट देता है उनका रूट, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं buttress root. You can see the picture that as I am highlighting it. These are the buttress root which helps the trees to stand straight. Okay, so trees often have vines climbing up them. They have plants such as orchids growing on their trunks and branches. Sometimes what happens, now these vines that we have seen, these vines also climb up the trees. And a type of plant called strangler completely covers and kills the trees on which it grows. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, आपके बैक साइड में एक 14 पेज में एक पिक्चर है जिसमें आप देखेंगे कि ट्रीज कैसे एक स्ट्रैंगलर की तरह होता है. स्ट्रैंगलर ट्री होता है जो इतना सख्त होता है कि वो दूसरे को पकड़ के रखता है, तो दूसरे किसी भी पेड़ को उगने वो नहीं देता है. सो इट किल्स द ट्रीज ऑन विच इट ग्रो. जो ट्री के ऊपर वो ग्रो करता है उसको वो कंप्लीटली किल कर देता है. उसका इतना पावर होता है. सो rubber trees, palm trees and ferns are also found in tropical rainforest. So, in the tropical rainforest there are different types of trees, like rubber tree you can find, palm trees. This type of trees are found in this tropical rainforest because they are very tall trees and having woody stems. Some rainforest trees such as mahogany and rosewood give us valuable wood. Mahogany is a type of tree and rosewood, you know, these are the valuable trees in the rainforest. Banana, pineapples, and cocoa, from which chocolate is made, are foodstuffs that come from these rainforest plants. So we can find the cocoa and pineapple, banana. These are also the foodstuff which comes from these rainforest plants. So tropical rainforests have a large variety of animals found anywhere on the earth. So there are many varieties of animals which are found on these tropical rainforest areas. Some rainforest animals spend their whole life in trees and never step on the ground. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, यहाँ पे जो एनिमल होते हैं से उनमें से कुछ ऐसे एनिमल है वो कभी नीचे नहीं उतरते, आपने वही ट्री में अपना दिन रात वहीं पे स्पेंड करते हैं, उनको नीचे उतरने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ता है. So tropical rainforests are home to many type of monkeys, apes, and then birds, snake, frog, and many more insects. This is the home for them. Gorilla and chimpanzee are apes found in the tropical rainforest of South Africa. These type of animals are found in South Africa. Orangutan are apes found in Southeastern Asia. Anaconda snakes and colorful birds such as toucan and macaw live in Amazon forest. These birds live in Amazon forest. The river flowing through tropical rainforest are home to crocodile and many different kinds of fish. This is the river that flows to through this tropical rainforest are the home of many watery animals, that is crocodiles and many different kinds of fish. Now we will discuss the life of the people of this area. So the tropical rainforest have a very uncomfortable climate. So the climate here is very uncomfortable. That means it is not a comfortable. They do not have a comfortable living here because the climate is not suitable for them. They are home to many diseases. As the climate will not be comfortable, so it will create many diseases. So the dense forest make it difficult to build roads and clear land to grow crops. The dense forest of these areas make it difficult to build some roads because they are full of forest and it is very difficult to clear lands to grow crops. The soil is too not fertile. यहाँ पे जो soil है या यहाँ का soil, it is not good for farming. So very few people live in this forest as it is not a place for suitable living. So very few people live in this type of forest. The Yanomami people of the Amazon rainforest, the people living along the river Congo in Africa, and the tribes such as the Ons and Sompen of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are some people of this tropical rainforest. These are the different types of people or tribes which live near the or in the tropical rainforest area. The people of the tropical rainforest have lived there for thousands of years, and many of them have no contact with the outside world. वो फॉरेस्ट के दुनिया में पूरा अपने दुनिया में बिजी रहते हैं फॉरेस्ट में, सो उनका दूसरे दुनिया के साथ उनका कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं रहता था पहले जमाने के बाद में. और दिस इज थाउजेंड्स इयर्स ओल्ड फॉरेस्ट. And rainforest people usually live in huts built with branches, leaves, and more. The people. They are the early human being. You can see the pictures. They live in the down. They are the early men. They live in the huts built with branches, leaves, and more. Many hunter-gatherer like the early humans. और उनका खाना क्या था ना, जंगल में जो भी मिलता था उनको मार के वो खाते थे. These are the early human beings. So some of them grow a few crops such as corn, beans, banana, and root vegetables. Some rainforest farmer burn down a part of the forest and use the cleared land to grow crops. और क्या करते थे, उनमें से कुछ टाइप क्या करते थे ना, कुछ फॉरेस्ट के कुछ पार्ट को जला के वहाँ पे उस एरिया को क्लीन करके वहाँ पे न्यू क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते थे. After a few crops, the soil become infertile and they move to a new part of the forest and burn it down. So what happens ना, जब एक जगह को जला के वो न्यू क्रॉप ग्रो करते थे, उसके बाद क्या धीरे धीरे एक बार दो बार करने के बाद वो सॉइल का जो फर्टिलिटी है वो कम हो जाता था. मीन्स और दोबारा थर्ड या फोर्थ टाइम उसमें क्रॉप्स ग्रो करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता था। तो तब वो क्या करते हैं ना, वो उस टाइम वो उस जगह को छोड़ के न्यू जगह को फिर से ट्रेवल करते थे या फिर शिफ्ट कर जाते थे। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यू जगह को शिफ्ट करके वहां पे फिर से जगह को बर्न करके या एरिया को कुछ एरिया को बर्न करके वहां पे फिर से फार्मिंग स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग इज नोन एज शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन। एक जगह से वो दूसरे जगह को शिफ्ट करके आए और जो फार्मिंग है उसका नाम है कल्टीवेशन। जो करते थे फार्मिंग जो करते थे उसको बोलते थे शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन। सो कल्टीवेशन मीन्स मेकिंग द लैंड रेडी फॉर फार्मिंग एंड यूजिंग इट टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स। So I think you must know what is shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation means they make the land again fertile for farming. Means they make a new land for farming. The tropical rainforests are first being cut down to make space for building cities, farming, and mining. The tropical rainforests are first being cut down. पहले क्या होता था ना, इसको काट करके वहाँ पे बिल्डिंग सिटी सिटीज बिल्ड करते थे, देन माइनिंग ये सब होता था। मेनी ट्रीज आर ऑल्सो कट डाउन फॉर वुड। ट्री को काट के भी वहां से वुड लिया जाता था। एज द फॉरेस्ट वैनिश वी आर लॉसिंग मेनी प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स फाउंड देयर। धीरे धीरे अभी क्या हो रहा है ना, ये फॉरेस्ट ऐसे करते करते धीरे धीरे वो वैनिश हो जा रहा है। दैट मीन्स वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जा रहा है और बहुत कम ही रेयर दिखने को मिलता है। सो वी आर इन दिस वे वी आर लूजिंग मेनी प्लांट्स। हम लोग खो देते हैं। एनिमल्स जो भी मिलते थे वो भी धीरे धीरे लुप्त होने लगे हैं। सो इन मेनी रेन फॉरेस्ट ट्राइब्स द एडल्ट्स आर वेरी शॉर्ट। बहुत ये जो ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट है वहाँ पे जो पिक्चर में देख सकते हो आप, कुछ कुछ एडल्ट है जो जिनका हाइट बहुत शॉर्ट है, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं पिग्मी। A pygmy is a member of such a tribe. Among the pygmy people of the Congo region in Africa are the Mubuti and the Baka. They are hunter-gatherer. वो hunting करते थे. They live by fishing, hunting animals and gathering fruits. So they used to do fishing and gathering fruits from the forest, and not only fruits, roots and honey from the forest. So some of them have learned to keep bees for honey. उसमें से कुछ कुछ लोग हैं जो हनी बीज से हनी कलेक्ट करके रखते थे। So this is all about your chapter tropical rainforest. So I think you must have clearly understood this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. But before ending our lesson, let's summarize the chapter again. So, tropical rainforests are dense evergreen forests that are found in the hot, wet tropical zone. In a tropical rainforest, tall, broadleaf trees growing close to each other form a canopy over the shade-loving plants that make up the understory. A few very tall trees grow taller than a canopy. Tropical rainforests have a huge variety of plants and animals. The people who live in tropical rainforests are mainly hunter-gatherers. Some of them grow a few crops as well. So this is all about your summary of this lesson. Now we will discuss the meaning of some new words. Before discussing this meaning of new words, I want to say that you have to learn the spellings of the underlined or highlighted words as shown in the chapter. So let's discuss the new words meaning. First, vine means a climbing plant. Secondly, buttress, a stone or brick structure that supports a wall. Then, apes. An ape looks like a large monkey but can stand on 2 feet and has no tail. For example, gorilla. Then, fourth one is your canopy. It means a layer of something like tree branches that spreads over an area and cover it like a root. Then last one is your tribe, which means a group of people, often of related families, who live together and share the same language, beliefs and ways of life. So this is all about your meaning of new words. Link to the PDF in this chapter is in the description below. Uh, if you enjoy this video, then do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.